Okay, welcome to the deep dive. We're jumping straight into some really interesting source material you shared with us today. It's all about a product called ProvaDent.
That's right. We've got this text here that lays out how ProvaDent is presented. Its ingredients, what it supposedly does, all those details.
Yeah, so our mission really is to unpack what this source document tells us, kind of pull out the key nuggets you need to understand ProvaDent based purely on this text and its suggested role in oral health.
Okay, let's get into it. So, what is ProvaDent according to the source? It describes it as a formula, comes in capsules, aimed at supporting optimal dental health.
Right, and it mentions it was co-created by a Dr. Knudson.
Ah, yes, Dr. Knudson.
Okay.
The source gives a bit of background on him.
Uh-huh. U.S. Naval Academy Dental Corps.
Right. Residencies, masters in oral biology, board certified dentist in Annapolis. It definitely highlights that background.
It sort of sets the stage, I suppose.
Exactly. Now, what's actually in it? The source lists several key ingredients.
Okay, first up is Organic Xylitol.
Yeah, the text calls it a natural sweetener, says it supports a balanced oral microbiome,
That's the bacteria in your mouth, right?
pretty much, and helps maintain fresh breath, it claims.
Then there's this BioFresh Clean Complex mentioned,
Right. BioFresh, the source says that's their proprietary blend.
which just means it's their own specific mix.
Correct. And the text claims this blend helps create a clean, vibrant oral environment.
Okay. We also see cranberry extract on the list.
Noted for potential benefits in promoting oral health, according to the source.
And purple carrot powder.
Yep, that's in there too. The source frames it as being packed with nutrients and contributing to overall well-being.
Interesting. And finally, a big one seems to be 4 strains of probiotics.
Yes, probiotics specifically focused on oral wellness. The source claims they support a balanced mouth microbiome and encourage healthy bacteria. Different from gut probiotics, the focus here is the mouth.
So if we pull all those ingredients together, what are the main benefits the source claims?
Well, it lists them out. Supporting that balanced oral microbiome,
Promoting fresh breath and oral hygiene,
harnessing cranberry extract benefits,
including the nutrient-rich purple carrot powder.
and providing those 4 probiotic strains for oral wellness.
Okay, and then there's an interesting link the source makes.
Right, it connects these oral health benefits to maintaining a healthy digestion and metabolic function. That's stated in the text.
Yeah, it makes that direct connection. The source also includes experiences from people it calls real ProvaDent users.
Ah, the testimonial section.
Exactly. Mentioning things like, feeling good about their oral health, fresh breath, more confidence.
Improved gums, even a dentist being surprised, that kind of thing.
But it's really important to stress these are testimonials included in the source material itself.
Absolutely key context.
Yeah.
Okay, what about the practical stuff, like how you get it?
Right, the logistics, the source details the pricing. One bottle is $69 plus $9.99 for shipping.
And if you buy more?
There's a 3-bottle package. That works out to $59 per bottle, so $177 total. And the shipping is free on that one.
Okay.
And the biggest option is 6 bottles. Those are $49 each, totaling $294, also with free shipping.
And the source mentions a guarantee.
Yes, a 60-day, 100% money-back guarantee is highlighted in the text.
Good to know. Any extras?
Yeah, for the 3 and 6 bottle deals, the source talks about digital bonuses. Things like Beyond the Brush, The Insider's Guide to Sparkling Oral Health and Tooth or Dare, Dental Lies and Myths Exposed. Ebooks, looks like.
Okay. And there was something about planting trees.
Oh, right, the Join Our Green Mission part. The source says they plant a tree through 1 tree planted for every jar someone buys.
Okay, now, this is really important. The source also includes some crucial disclaimers.
Absolutely essential context here, stuff you really need to see.
The text states quite clearly, statements on this website have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration.
That's a big one. And it also says products are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease.
Very standard disclaimer for supplements, but vital to note.
It also advises consulting a doctor if you're pregnant, nursing, on meds, or have a medical condition.
Standard advice, good practice.
And this is key too. The source presents the content based upon the author's opinion and provides it as is.
Yeah, and it explicitly says it's not intended to replace medical advice offered by a physician or other licensed healthcare provider.
So it's drawing a clear line there.
Okay, so let's recap what this source tells us about ProvaDent. It's presented as this capsule with specific ingredients like xylitol, probiotics,
Claiming benefits for the mouth's microbiome, fresh breath, and even hinting at broader health links like digestion.
We get the pricing, the guarantee, the bonuses, the tree planting initiative.
But running right alongside all that, the source itself includes those really critical disclaimers.
The FDA non-evaluation, the fact it's not meant to treat disease.
And that the info is opinion, not a substitute for professional medical advice.
Right. Which leads us to, I think, a really provocative thought for you, the listener.
When you encounter information like this, source detailing product ingredients, claimed benefits for something specific like the oral microbiome, but also very clearly stating these big disclaimers about FDA evaluation and not being medical treatment, what becomes the most important thing for you to focus on when you're trying to evaluate that information?
Definitely something to chew on as you navigate information about supplements and health products.